Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I will show you how to use an OBD scanner to diagnose and clear engine fault codes. But first, we need to understand what is an OBD2 scanner. A small device that connects to your engine's ECU to read and clear error codes. But what are these error codes and why are they appear from the engine? The modern engines come along with a lot of complex sensors, and with these sensors the problems are also very sophisticated. So to diagnose them properly, we need to understand where the problem is arising from, and in that case a OBD2 scanner helps us. With a generation of error codes, this ECU tells us, hey, your bike has a problem with the oxygen sensor. We are experiencing a little low voltage in the oxygen sensor, or perhaps a little bit of misfiring that is happening, maybe because water entering in your spark plug gaps. But the ECU will tell us that we experienced a misfiring in the cylinder and go check it out. And that is why the engine warning light turns on. This OBD works with most modern vehicles after 2008 in India and 1996 in the USA. So most of the time the engine check light will turn on and will tell you to check something is wrong. But if there is no engine check light and you experience a poor performance or misfiring or even high fuel consumption, you can go ahead and check the fault codes. It avoids unnecessary service center visits and obviously saves a lot of costs. Now comes to types of OBD2 scanners. There are wired scanners and wireless scanners that works with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you can connect those scanners with your mobile phone or Android or iOS or even laptops. Now in this video, I'm going to use a wireless one, but I will share both links with you. Those will be in the description if you want to check it out. Also, I will share the best softwares available for these OBD2 scanners given down in the description. Just go and check the website. Now the wired OBD2 scanners are pretty straightforward and has all the error codes stored in it, and it can clear out all the error codes very easily. But there are problems with the wireless ones. So not all the softwares are premium. That is why you have to buy some, and some of the softwares are there which works without paying any money. So I'll link both of them given in the description, and my personal favorite is the car scanner one. Now next step will be locating the OBD2 port. For most of the bikes, it is placed under the rear seat. In my CB300F and this CB200X both have the OBD2 port. You can see Honda uses a red color port. The ports were different for different manufacturers out there. I'll give the purchase link to buy this adapter which I am using, and it works flawlessly. Now plug in the scanner, turn on the ignition, don't start the engine, connect your phone via app and turn on the Bluetooth. Go to the engine diagnostics and scan for fault codes. Now as you can see, the device is reading the DTCs, that is diagnostic trouble codes. Now there are multiple types of error codes available. I'll give a link where you can find all the error codes for your reference. So this error report says that there is misfiring in one of the cylinders. So this is referring to cars for multiple cylinders, but as we are using a single cylinder bike, we are referring that the cylinder has some misfiring. So that is quite evident. So we have just used the pressure washer and it's possible that the spark plug cap has some water in it. So I removed the spark plug cap and I have seen some water in it. I wiped it out with clean cloth and replugged it, and the problem is gone.
चला गया
Pro tips and warning. Do not rely on clearing codes to fix the problem. Always diagnose the root cause. OBD2 only checks electronic components, not the mechanical ones. Some codes require multiple drive cycles to reappear. Now this step is very important. Remember, clearing fault codes is very easy, but it is not the solution for any problem. Because whenever ECU is experiencing anything wrong with the bike, it produces a fault code for the user to check or for the service center to check. So if you erase the fault code without curing the root causes, then it may reappear again and you are losing important diagnostic reports. So it is important to diagnose it and identify the root cause of the problem. Only then clear the fault codes. Clearing without fixing the issue may cause the light to reappear. Now I highly encourage you to buy one of these and keep it in your home and do regular health checks with these OBD2 scanners. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. If you want to contribute to the channel, use the YouTube super thanks button, or you can contribute to my UPI IT Town given in the description. Do check out the description to buy these scanners and cables at the best rates available. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy and safe riding. Peace.